Nailing pronunciation with minimal pairs. Master the sounds of English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can seriously improve your pronunciation and understanding of the English language: minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words where only one sound is different. By focusing on these pairs, we can train our ears and our mouths to better distinguish and produce these tricky English sounds. So, let's jump right in. Minimal pairs are a powerful tool for learning pronunciation. They are two words that only differ in one sound. For example, bit and bet form a minimal pair because they only differ in the vowel sound. By practicing with minimal pairs, you can learn to hear and say these subtle differences, making your English sound more clear and natural. Why are minimal pairs so helpful? Well, they are great for improving your listening comprehension and your pronunciation. Often, non-native speakers have difficulty distinguishing between certain English sounds because those sounds aren't used in their native language. Minimal pairs help us to isolate these sounds and practice them in a targeted way. Alright, how do we practice with minimal pairs? Here's a simple method. 1. Listen and distinguish. First, listen to the minimal pairs and try to distinguish the different sounds. For instance, ship versus sheep. Can you hear the difference? 2. Repeat and mimic. Once you can hear the difference, try to reproduce the sounds yourself. Say, ship, and sheep, aloud, focusing on the different vowel sounds. 3. Use in a sentence. Finally, try to use each word in a sentence. For example, the ship is in the harbor, and the sheep is in the field. This helps you practice the sound in context, which is how you'll use it in real life. Repeat these steps with various minimal pairs to continue improving your pronunciation. To make your practice even more effective, here are a few tips. Practice regularly. Make minimal pairs practice a regular part of your language learning routine. Consistent practice is key. Record yourself. Use a voice recorder on your phone or computer to record your pronunciation. This allows you to play it back and listen for any mistakes. Don't rush. Take your time with each pair. It's not a race, and it's better to be accurate than fast. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, but improvement. And there you have it, the magic of minimal pairs for improving your English pronunciation. We hope this technique becomes a valuable tool in your language learning journey. As always, keep practicing, stay patient with yourself, and remember to enjoy the process of learning English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.